All speedy cop. Oh! Oh!
Killed it.
Awesome. You were flying through the air, bro. You were flying through the air. Look at this.
3.5 VTEC and a battery hold down rope. I got the power.
Got the power. Speedy Cop's got this.
I'm telling you, this van is going to kick names and take ass.
It's going to kick some butt.
Jesse's a machine, man. It's taking him 5 minutes to prep this van for a race.
I like this stuff.
We have seats out of it for lightness. Back hatch off because it's heavy. This freaking rear seat weighs like 200 pounds, which is inexplicable. It's like ridiculous. It's heavier than the hatch. Jesse and I did a 20-minute paint job on this van with some spray cans. Came out pretty good. All we had was red and blue. We went over the white with the red and blue. And looking mean. I like it. So there goes Travis Pastrana. He just wished me good luck tonight in this race. I wished him good luck in his. He's going to be running the Crown Vics. I'm going to be tearing this van up in a minute here. It's go time, baby.
Get a room. What are you doing? Do that. It's on video right now. I'm not even taking a picture.
Look at this. Is that a jet engine in a van?
Into this van. Green flag is in the air for the Van Prix.
Here we go. Come on with it, guys. Right now.
It's making its jump on lap number 1 here. We got the signal from the flag man.
Holding off to the last lap.
That's what I would do.
I love this. Oh, he's done.
There he is. Speedy Cop took the lead at lap 1 and never looked back. He wins the Van Prix.
Everybody make some noise for the winner of the Van Prix, Speedy Cop! He's going to climb out. We're going to get a word from our winner. Let's make some noise one more time. Hey, who said there's no strategy when it comes to Van Prix? Dude, you got that thing so far out in front, and I'll tell you what, you hit that ramp pretty hard there, and it held on there pretty good there. Tell us about your run. What did you think about waiting until the very end there to try to get it to the very end? And then what were you thinking about when you hit that ramp on that last lap?
So first off, it's a race. There's always strategy, right? Drive it like you stole it. So if you're smart, you save the jump for the last lap because you rip a wheel off on the first lap and you're sitting there watching the rest of the race. Praise God for a car that ran good this whole time. In Connecticut, my van went 2 laps slowing the whole time in the motor season. That was it. I feel like I got some redemption today.
You know what? This thing still looks pretty good. I feel like you could go pick the kids up from school or soccer practice if you needed to.
At the very least, the next Van Prix. Hey, Cleet, can I keep it here? What do you say?
How about it one more time? Make some noise for the Van Prix and your winner, Speedy Cop.
Yes, sir. Congratulations.
One thing from the drivers' meeting, I'm sure we'll get to it later, but there's no choose cone for after the cautions to line back up. You know, if you're at first, you're front inside, second, first.
Oh, you baby!
Look at this leg.
It's a champ, and it's still going.
Oh my gosh.
You're dragging a lot of bumper.
I haven't really slept in 3 or 4 nights, but that made it so worth it.
Oh, it was awesome. And you get an awesome shop stool.
Look at this. Look at this.
Oh man, that is nice. Look at this. Champion. Speedy Cop.
Dude, this weighs like 30 pounds.
Woo!
Come here.
Dude, well done, man. Well done. You just absolutely.
It was awesome. You killed it.
Awesome. You were flying through the air, bro. You were flying through the
I
air.
need to see it. I haven't seen it yet.
It was epic.
He sent it.
I was
He sent
flat
it.
out.
Good job, good job.
Ooh, I needed that in the worst way.
Hey, Jeff, you left half of your van on the trailer. You needed that.
really did.
You left.
I was
Bye-bye,
so
everybody.
last night.
You lapped the field.
I let up towards the end because I was afraid one of the lap traffic would take me out.
Did
you see my big, beautiful bald eagle, baby?
Yes.
Coming up next, we have a rather suspect-looking vehicle here, Speedy Cop out of Maryville, Tennessee, in the 1956 Cessna 310. I think the guy flying over before has come to join the Burnout comp.
Yeah, this is the guy who won the Prix last night. So he's coming off a big W. All Speedy Cop. Oh! Oh! Oh, I think we might have a broken axle. Let's hear it for Speedy Cop, guys. Make some noise. All right, brother. Until next time.
Right. Yeah. It's just a go-kart.
What do you think, man?
That's pretty awesome. I love this thing. Yeah. I love that all your stuff's weird.
That's kind of
Like mine's weird, but yours are all weirder.
And not just the cars.
Yeah. Your brain's weird.
Abby something. Abby.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta drive it later.
All right,
It
let's
is
do it.
tagged and insured, so. I've done this.
This is brilliant. What do you mean?
So I'm in glitchy with Miss Amelia.
Hi.
She's getting a kick out of this.
Have you done a burnout this?
No, but I'm afraid it's going to be the clutch. Why don't we try it?
Wait, actually, want me to do a burnout this?
We're going to jack the e-brake.
What did you say you're afraid of?
It might be more less than tires. Alright.
This is front wheel?
Yep. Let it in. Oh no, that's clutch. That's what I was afraid of. It's got no power. So she can drive the piss out of anything. This is her first time driving a chopped down Volkswagen bus hay car.
Oh god.
Oh, I gotta bring it up. So.
Oh god. I want to do a chopped vehicle so bad. What's this rev to?
Oh, I don't even know. We're back. It's a 3-cylinder. I mean, probably the moon.
3-cylinder, 4-speed?
5-speed. I just won the Hot Rod Power Tour, and I got it to 82 down a long hill in Nashville. Long hill. Which is crazy for a K car.
Have you taken this on the quarter mile?
No, it'd be like a sundial. 0 to 60 in 2 weeks.
I'm going to park it right here.
That's fine.
That's crazy.
So I got Mr. Sam driving. He's going to detail it for me.